In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice to a client. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, accurate invoice and deliver it to your client with confidence, using the built-in tools most invoicing platforms provide. From your invoicing dashboard, look for the green Create New button. It's usually at the top right and stands out so you can get started quickly. Click it to open your creation menu. This is your launch point for making professional documents without digging through settings. When the menu appears, choose Invoice. Selecting Invoice tells the system you're preparing a billable document that can include items, services, totals, and due dates. You'll be taken to a simple form where each section guides you through what's needed. Next, select the client you want to bill. Use the client selector to pick the correct company or individual from your existing list. Double-check you've chosen the right contact so the invoice lands in the correct inbox and the billing details match your agreement. Accurate client selection helps your records, reminders, and payment confirmations work seamlessly. Now add your item or service. Enter a clear name and a short description that states exactly what was provided. Fill in the quantity or hours, set the rate or price, and confirm the correct currency and tax settings if they apply. If your platform supports discounts or multiple line items, you can include them here so the subtotal, tax, and total calculate automatically. Clarity in your descriptions reduces back and forth and speeds up approvals. If you want to make paying easier, you can optionally turn on Accept Online Payments. Enabling this adds a secure payment button to your invoice so clients can pay by card, bank transfer, or other supported methods. Review any processing fees and payment options offered by your provider, and choose what aligns with your business. This small toggle can significantly shorten your payment timelines. When the details look right, click Send. This doesn't fire it off immediately. It opens an email preview so you can confirm everything before it leaves your outbox. In the email review, check the recipient, subject, and message. Make sure the invoice total, due date, and link or attachment display correctly, and that your note sets expectations, like when payment is due, and how to reach you with questions. If there's a preview or attachment option, confirm it reflects the latest changes. When everything is accurate, click Send Invoice. Your invoice is now on its way to your client. They'll receive it by email and can view, download, and, if enabled, pay online. That's all it takes to create and send a professional invoice.